Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you recover a deleted Monday CRM trash item? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to recover a deleted item in Monday CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you accidentally delete the wrong item or content, and you want to be sure to recover it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Monday CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Monday CRM, and this is the home screen. So if you want to recover a deleted item in your Monday CRM, there's actually a few different ways you can do it. The easiest and simplest way is you're going to click on your initials here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on trash. Another way you can get there is if you're in your contacts over here on the left. Okay, so here's my contact screen. You can see all the contacts, and then here on the top right, you're going to see these three dots. When you hover over it, it says click options. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and look for this line right here, view, archive, or trash. Once you hover over there, you're going to see this option here, trash. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same location. Okay, so once you click in there, you're going to have these two options at the top, trash and archive. So if you deleted something, it's going to show up in this file. If you just archived it, it's going to be here on this file. Now, if you deleted something more than 30 days ago, unfortunately, it's already going to be deleted permanently. There's no way to recover it. However, if you deleted something within 30 days, it should appear right here. And in order to recover an item, for example, this one right here, you can either click on the box next to their name or the item. And then once you do that, you're going to see this pop up down here. You can click restore, or you can click on the three dots next to the item. And once you do that, you can click on restore, and you can see it starts to restore, and immediately it should show up wherever it was deleted. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to recover or restore a deleted item or contact in your Monday CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.